for machines operating with high loads and absolute precision, like Tadano's hydraulic cranes and aerial work platforms. The quality of hydraulic oil is critical. It directly impacts performance, workability, and above all, safety. Introducing Tadano Genuine Hydraulic Oil LL. Developed in collaboration with a leading oil manufacturer and specifically formulated for Tadano products. Tadano Genuine Hydraulic Oil LL is engineered for our hydraulic systems to help prevent breakdowns, reduce maintenance needs, and deliver long-term cost savings. Tadano Genuine Hydraulic Oil LL is a non-zinc hydraulic oil formulated with special additives that minimize sludge buildup, one of the main causes of fuel problems and malfunctions. Compared to conventional oils containing zinc additives, it's more resistant to deterioration, offering an oil change cycle up to twice as long. As a multi-grade oil covering both VG32 and VG46, which are hydraulic oils for general construction machinery, it delivers excellent responsiveness in cold conditions, while maintaining viscosity at high temperatures, helping to prevent machine seizure and keep operations running smoothly. This hydraulic oil is designed to perform in oil temperatures from -5 to 70 Celsius, maximizing capability in any season or location. With careful consideration of pressure and temperature, it delivers two key advantages: long life with double the oil change cycle and multi-grade, ensuring reliable performance all year round. Tadano Genuine Hydraulic Oil LL is the only oil engineered to bring out the best in Tadano products.